So we all know that mixing a potato with a nugget of gold doesn't end well. But what happens when we mix one potato with another potato? Does it make a potato sandwich? Let's find out. Ryzen, get the hell out of Now for le GPU, wee burger. So before making this video, I didn't actually think about a power supply, so I've just grabbed this off the shelf. Please don't crucify me for using this in this PC. It's don't worry about it. Well, it appears our plans for the potato sandwich have been foiled. How, you might ask? Well, the damn thing won't even boot into Windows. I've tried a plethora of SATA cables, I've tried reflashing the BIOS, I've tried a new CMOS battery, I've tried multiple different drives, but alas, she does not want to boot. I don't know why, but it just doesn't. You know what really annoys me about this too? It was working before I built the damn PC with this SSD that's just flopping around in there. It worked. Until it didn't, for whatever reason. It's just like, hey, no, screw you, Connor. Working? What even is that? Kind of like my upload schedule, am I right, everyone? So anyway, potato sandwiches. Does it work out? No, it doesn't. Two small potatoes make one big potato, apparently. So, you know, I guess if you wanted to build a PC like this, make sure it boots into Windows and actually works. Because, I mean, it would have worked, but the damn motherboard's just like, no. So I guess with all of that out of the way, or not really all of that, there was kind of not much to begin with. Anyway, I guess if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you didn't, hit the dislike button. And if you could chuck me some feedback in the comments, that'd be great. And if you want to see more content from me, you could also hit that subscribe button down below. That would actually be very handy. I'd really appreciate that. Because we're halfway there. I'm not going to put music there because it'll probably get copyright striked. But we're halfway there to 1,000 subscribers, which means I will get monetized in the future, which means probably doing this more often. Because, yeah, money is a thing that exists. Anyway, I guess if you also want to see what's going on elsewhere, I have a Twitter linked down below if you want to follow me on there. I've also got a Discord server down there if you want to join that. It's kind of dead at the moment, but still join it. It'd be great. Anyways, I'm kind of rambling on at this point, so I guess I'll see you all in the next video.